Hey guys, welcome back to another new videos and Viklaguru welcomes you. So today from this video onwards, we will discuss a new subject that is Criminal Procedure Code or CRPC. Today is the introductory video of the CRPC. In this video, we will discuss what is CRPC, what does CRPC or the Criminal Procedure Code deals with. Okay. So before starting this video, if you have not subscribed my channel, please go subscribe so that you all get CRPC related videos regularly. So let's start this video. First of all, we will know or discuss what is Criminal Procedure Code. The Code of Criminal Procedure, commonly known as Criminal Procedure Code, is the main legislation on the procedure for administration of substantive criminal law in India. It was enacted in 1973 and came into force on 1st April 1974. It is a substantive procedural law. It is the primary legislation regarding the procedural aspects of criminal law. It also contains certain provisions that are not strictly procedural in nature. Simply, it means how the procedure takes place. These things are written in Criminal Procedure Code. How the criminal trials, appeals, proceedings, all the things are given in the Criminal Procedure Code. It is an exhaustive code providing a complete machinery to investigate and try cases, appeals against the judgment. It has provisions at each stage to correct errors, failures of justice and absence of the process under the supervision and superintendence of the High Court. Now we will come to the introduction to the Criminal Procedure Code. CRPC is the main legislation on procedure for administration of substantive criminal law in India. It provides the machinery for the investigation of crime, how the crime will be investigated, the apprehension of the suspected criminals, how the evidence should be collected, the determination of guilt, who is guilty, who will determine, and who is innocent, the innocence of the accused person, and the determination of the punishment of the guilty. It also deals with public nuisance, prevention of offences, and maintenance of wife, child, and parents. It is important to note that several amendments has taken place in the CRPC. In the first paragraph, we have seen that how the criminal proceedings will take place. These are all the things that is contained in the CRPC, that like collection of evidence, determination of the guilt, that who has committed the wrong, who has not committed the wrong, or proving the guilt, like that. The Amendment Act of 2005 is very important. Legislative change have also taken by way of Amending Act of 2013. Even there are several state amendments to different provisions of CRPC. Now we will discuss what is the subject matter of the Criminal Procedure Code. The Criminal Procedure Code lays down the provisions of the Constitution of Criminal Courts and Offices, territorial divisions or territorial jurisdiction or pecuniary jurisdiction of different courts, or like courts of session, courts of magistrate, executive magistrate, magistrate of first class, second class, High Court, Supreme Court, how the public prosecutors and the assistant public prosecutors are appointed, their powers, functions, powers of courts, how the criminal trial proceeds, stages of the criminal trial, when police may arrest a person without warrant, what is summon form, charge sheet, charges, appeals, warrant, what is bailable and non-bailable offences, cognizable and non-cognizable offences, when search warrant may be issued, when not issued, when death sentence may be passed, order for maintenance of wives, children and parents, maintenance of public order and tranquility, information to the police like FIR, that is First Information Report, and their powers to investigate, jurisdiction of the criminal courts in inquiries and trials, judgment, reference and revision, remission and irregular proceedings. All these things are contained in the criminal procedure code, and all these things we will discuss or study in the criminal procedure code videos later on. But first we will discuss in the next video the definitions part, where we will go through the definitions of summons, charges, appeals, warrant, bailable and non-bailable offences, cognizable and non-cognizable offences, etc. Okay, the criminal procedure code mainly deals with the criminal matters, criminal cases, and for civil cases there is civil procedure code, that is CPC. Okay, if you like this video, press the like button, share it, subscribe for more such videos, and if you have any doubt in this video, please do comment. For then, stay safe. Thank you.